It sounds like they're right in your living room. It sounds like they're right in your living room with it.
No, he said he gonna pay you back Friday. I ain't got no money.
That is something.
I don't owe these niggas nothing. I know. So don't be telling little motherfuckers, my daddy can do this, my daddy can do that. I can't even do a motherfucking thing. That bullshit, man. Come on, nigga. No, cuz shit. No, my ass, Mr. New Dad, no, I'll be back, man. I ain't gonna be back. Shit, man. You ain't gonna be back, man. I'm telling you. What if I don't be back? You take the kids over there. I cannot take them goddamn kids over there. You can't put you down south. I ain't taking that for that long ass ride. Fuck that. Fuck that. Hey, your responsibility. I'm sick and tired of you leaving these goddamn kids to me. I'm sick and tired of it. Yeah, I'm sorry, he's mad. I don't give a fuck about you eating that. I love you, Daddy. Fuck you, man. I'm asking you. Fuck out of my face.
Yeah, in your living room.
Why you crying over a girl for, Daddy? That's my business. I'm asking you, though. I don't need to tell you shit. So kiss my ass. I'm asking you, Daddy, man. Answer the question, man. Why you crying over a girl? You just a bitch. Look what you is. I'm a bitch.